Murree Mall Road, a bustling bazaar in the hills. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip to the heart of Murree, Pakistan, the iconic Mall Road. Mall Road's story goes back to British colonial times. Built in the 1850s as a space for leisure, it's transformed into a vibrant hub for locals and tourists alike. Walking down Mall Road is an experience for all senses. Shop fronts line the street, overflowing with colorful Kashmiri shawls, hand-embroidered clothes, and mountains of souvenirs. The air buzzes with chatter and the enticing aroma of street food. Think piping hot samosas, sizzling kebabs, and sweet, creamy faluda. Murree's cuisine is a delightful blend of Pakistani and Afghani flavors. Don't miss the local specialty, Murree chicken, a char-grilled chicken dish bursting with spices. Be sure to try the fresh mountain trout or a steaming bowl of hearty Pakistani pulao. But Mall Road isn't just about shopping and food. Take a break and soak in the stunning scenery. The Himalayas rise majestically in the distance, their peaks often capped with snow. Breathe in the crisp mountain air and lose yourself in the beauty. A trip to Murree wouldn't be complete without interacting with the warm and welcoming locals. Shopkeepers are happy to chat and share their knowledge of the area. You might even stumble upon a street performer or two, adding to the lively atmosphere. Murree's weather changes with the seasons. Summers are pleasant with cool breezes, while winters can be quite chilly with snowfall. Spring and autumn offer comfortable temperatures, making them ideal times to visit. When visiting Murree Mall Road, there are several attractions that you should consider exploring. The Mall Road, the main thoroughfare in Murree, lined with shops, restaurants, and hotels. It's a great place for a stroll and to experience the local. Patriata, New Murree known for its cable car and chairlift, offering stunning views of the mountains and valleys. Pindi Point offers panoramic views and a chairlift ride, where you can see the cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Kashmir Point, just 1 kilometer away from Mall Road, it provides a view of all the mountains of Murree and is popular for its quieter environment. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking breathtaking views, Murree Mall Road has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Pakistan's mountains.